Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the Smart Tutoring. This is the second part of the MCQ series from Chapter 1 Chemical Reactions and Equations. Question number 1. A chemical equation in which number of atoms of each element is equal on both the sides of the equation is called option A skeletal equation, B unbalanced chemical equation, C balanced chemical equation, D none of these. The answer is option C balanced chemical equation. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a physical change? A. Boiling of water to give water vapor. B. Melting of ice to give water. C. Dissolution of salt in water. D. Combustion of LPG. The answer is option D. Combustion of LPG. Question number 3. What are the products formed when calcium hydroxide reacts with the carbon dioxide? Option A. Calcium carbonate and water. Option B. Calcium hydroxide and water. Option C. Calcium carbide and water. D. Calcium bicarbonate and water. The answer is option A. Calcium carbonate and water. Question number 4. What happens when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water? Option A. Calcium hydroxide is formed. B. Lime water turns milky. C. Calcium oxide is formed. D. Color of lime water disappears. Answer is option B. Lime water turns milky. Question number 5. Glucose combines with oxygen in the cells of our body and provides energy. The name of this reaction is option A. Burning. B. Precipitation. C. Respiration. D. Photosynthesis. Answer is option C. Respiration. Question number 6. Which one of the following processes involve chemical reaction? Option A. Storing of oxygen gas under pressure in a gas cylinder. B. Liquefaction of air. C. Keeping petrol in a china dish in the open. D. Heating copper wire in the presence of air at high temperature. Correct answer is option D. Heating copper wire in the presence of air at high temperature. Question number 7. In the given equation, what does X stands for? 2Al plus X H2SO4 gives Al2SO4 thrice plus 3H2. Option A 2, B 3, C 1, D 5. Answer is option B 3. Therefore, the equation becomes 2Al plus 3H2SO4 gives Al2SO4 thrice plus 3H2. Question number 8. A reaction in which a single reactant breaks down to give two or more similar products is called A. Combination reaction, B. Displacement reaction, C. Double displacement reaction, D. Decomposition reaction. Answer is option D. Decomposition reaction. Question number 9. What are the products formed when ferrous sulfate undergo decomposition? The correct option is option A. Ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. These are the products formed when ferrous sulfate undergo decomposition. Question number 10. What is the chemical name of quicklime? A. Calcium oxide, B. Calcium hydroxide, C. Calcium carbonate, D. Calcium chloride. The answer is option A. Calcium oxide. The chemical formula is CaO. Question number 11. What is the chemical name of slaked lime? Option A. Calcium oxide, B. Calcium hydroxide, C. Calcium carbonate, D. Calcium chloride. The answer is option B. Calcium hydroxide. Chemical formula is CaOH twice. Question number 12. What is the chemical name of limestone? Option A. Calcium oxide, B. Calcium hydroxide, C. Calcium carbonate, D. Calcium chloride. The answer is option C. Calcium carbonate. The chemical formula is CaCO3. Remember, the chemical formula of marble is also CaCO3. Question number 13. In which of the following heat energy is evolved? A. Electrolysis of water, B. Decomposition of silver bromide, C. Evaporation of water, D. Burning of LPG. The answer is option D. Burning of LPG. Question number 14. When crystals of lead nitrate is heated strongly in a boiling tube, crystals immediately melt, a brown residue left, white fumes appear in the tube, a yellow residue left. Answer is option D, a yellow residue left. Question number 15. Silver chloride is stored in dark colored bottle because option A, it is a white substance, B, it undergoes oxidation, C, it decomposes in the presence of sunlight, D, none of these. Answer is option C, it decomposes in the presence of sunlight. Question number 16. Which of the following is an endothermic reaction? Option A, burning of coal, B, process of respiration, D, decomposition of vegetable matter into compost, D, decomposition of calcium carbonate to form quicklime and carbon dioxide. Answer is option D, decomposition of calcium carbonate to form quicklime and carbon dioxide. Question number 17. The electrolytic decomposition of water gives hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio of option A, 1:2 by volume, B, 2:1 by volume, C, 1:2 by mass, D, 2:1 by mass. The answer is option B, 2:1 by volume. Question number 18. Which of the following is a thermal decomposition? Option A, decomposition of water, B, decomposition of silver chloride, C, decomposition of silver bromide, D, decomposition of calcium carbonate. Answer is option D, decomposition of calcium carbonate. Question number 19. White silver chloride placed in sunlight turns to yellow, red, grey, remains white. Answer is option C, grey. Question number 20. What is the color of ferrous sulfate crystals? Yellow, light green, white, blue. Answer is option B, light green. Question number 21. Decomposition reaction is opposite to which of the following reaction? A, displacement reaction, B, double displacement reaction, C, combination reaction, D, oxidation. Answer is option C, combination reaction. Question number 22. What is the color of the flame when magnesium ribbon is burned in air? Yellow flame, dazzling white flame, green flame, blue flame. Answer is option B, dazzling white flame. Question number 23. The quicklime reacts with water to produce slacker lime. Which of the following statements is true about this reaction? A, it is combination reaction, B, it is an exothermic reaction, C, both of these, D, none of these. Answer is option C, both of these. That is, this reaction is a combination reaction as well as an exothermic reaction. Question number 24. When lead nitrate is heated in a boiling tube, there will be emission of brown fumes which is due to the formation of A, nitrogen dioxide, B, oxygen, C, lead nitrate, D, lead oxide. Answer is option A, nitrogen dioxide. Question number 25. Which of the following is used in the manufacture of cement? Option A, calcium hydroxide, B, calcium oxide, C, calcium carbonate, D, calcium chloride. Answer is option B, calcium oxide. Question number 26. Which of the following is a thermal decomposition? Option A, decomposition of water, B, decomposition of silver chloride, C, decomposition of lead nitrate, D, decomposition of silver bromide. Answer is option C, decomposition of lead nitrate. Question number 27. When ferrous sulfate is heated in a boiling tube, there will be a pungent irritating smell. This is due to the formation of sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, ferric oxide, oxygen. Answer is option A, sulfur dioxide. Question number 28. The reactions used in black and white photography. A, decomposition of silver chloride, B, decomposition of silver bromide, C, both A and B, D, none of these. Answer is C, both A and B. Question number 29. Which is the compound formed after 2 or 3 days of whitewashing and gives a shiny finish to the walls? A, calcium hydroxide, B, calcium oxide, C, calcium carbide, D, calcium carbonate. Answer is option D, calcium carbonate. Question number 30. When lead nitrate is decomposed, the products formed are lead oxide and oxygen, lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen, lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide, lead nitrate, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Answer is option B, lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Now let's wind up this video. The next part will be uploaded soon. If you are watching this video, please do subscribe and share to those needed. Thank you. Have a great time.